I am really excited to be making this video because this is the first time that I am going to be participating in trading using artificial intelligence. This is coming from the team over at TFVPM. I will have links down in the description below, and I'm going to be making a series of videos to chronicle my journey through this process. So if you want to see how my portfolio is developing, then guys, this is the first video. Be sure to keep an eye out for those other videos. And so this team is utilizing AI technology, combining it with their trading expertise, as is highlighted over on their website. And just a quick look over here as well, if we scroll on down to the bottom of the page, you can see that for their corporate qualifications, they also are looking to be fitting into the regulatory framework. So they have the Canadian Foundation, US NFA Futures Regulatory License, US Enterprise License, UK Enterprise License, and US Securities and Exchange Commission. Check that out. Certification over there with that as well. So if we hop over to their main website, I've already got a little bit of a balance going on with this. And just a little side note, guys, that if you want to go ahead and participate with this, they also have a referral system. I'll have my information down below. Be greatly appreciated if you do decide you want to jump in on this, if you use that. And they have also, let's go hop over here to my balance page. So because I wanted to test some things out, I already have a balance there, and I decided, hey, let me see if I can actually withdraw, right? So when I click on the withdraw button right here, you do need to go ahead and add in a wallet address. You can also go into your settings, making sure that you have a password established with this. And so in my case, I have it set up with ERC20, and then you identify what the amount is that you're wanting to withdraw. But after I did all this, I submitted it. Because it's ERC, I had to wait just a little bit for the transaction to fully process through, but it does deduct out of your balance on the website visually. For the UI side, that does happen essentially immediately. So once the blockchain transaction processes through, then we go ahead and take a look here at our funds record. You see recharge, which you have the option to be able to do that. Nothing showing there, but when I click on withdraw, lo and behold, there is my transaction. It shows that it's completed. There is the $20 that I had withdrawn. And then if I hop over here to Etherscan, then we can also see that there was a little bit ago this transaction. It says 27 seconds ago, but that is just because of when I had loaded up that page. So I did verify that it had been transferred out. I checked my wallet itself. Everything is looking great there. So now let's go ahead and take a look at what different package options that they have. So if we go over here to the Discover tab, you're going to notice that they do have a wide range of options, and they identify not only the average daily profit, but also the estimated total earnings here. So for example, you got the Open Strategy BII or B2, and that deals with foreign exchange as well as digital currency. So if you were looking at this video and thinking that it was only pertaining to cryptocurrency, lo and behold, there are more diverse options that are included in this. And this is just under the fixed term funds that we have selected right now. So then you also have the encrypted quantum hedge fund. You have the alpha momentum ICIS. You have synergy special strategy fund and the trend trader number 1. Now that last one, trend trader number 1, has foreign exchange and digital currency, but it adds to it commodity. And with that one, you're looking at a 1.59% average daily profit with an estimated total earnings of 23.9%. So if we swap this tab over here to the compound interest funds, you can see that some things have changed. So encrypted volatility strategy fund, that one deals with foreign exchange, commodity, digital currency, and stocks. Markowitz trend combination compound interest 6, that's got foreign exchange, commodity, digital currency. The next one here for Stellar is foreign exchange, commodity, digital currency, and security. Then you got Global Digital Asset Growth Fund with foreign exchange, commodity, digital currency, and Horizon, the last one there, foreign exchange, commodity, and digital currency. And so what I'm actually going to be taking a look at is down here on the bottom of the page. Let's go ahead and click on the home page button. And with that one, it shows you the Open Strategy BII, or the B2 that I was talking about just a moment ago. And you can see it says 1 day for the project cycle and 1.3% average daily profit. I'm going to click on that one for the start of this, just so that we can see actual earnings starting to produce as I go through the series, and then I might actually extend out the time period for this. So it shows you the performance trend, historical net values behind all of this. It's got a lot of breakdown information, guys. And so as you can see down here, I click on the 3 little dots. I can actually extend that out to see even further into the past. So it shows you the net values, the rise and fall percentage changes that have taken place with those as well. And a little bit of a disclaimer here. It says the fund is based on the logic of quantitative transactions to build investment portfolios by screening hot markets, adhering to the trading strategy based on fundamentals and supplemented by technical aspects. It firmly believes that commodity prices are determined by relation between supply and demand. Risk management is put in the first place to achieve a reasonable return on the premise of controlling investment risk. The fund mainly invests in foreign exchange bulk commodities and digital currencies, and the investment strategy is adjusted according to the specific operation. The investment and research numbers of the trading term are mainly composed of relevant doctoral students majoring in finance and the world's top traders. So the subscription details for this, minimum purchase amount, you're looking at has to be at least $10. So they're not doing crazy amounts. You know, if you try and do things with stocks, a lot of times they try and set prices really, really high. The expected income, 1.3%. Project period, 24 hours. The fund type, combined. And then redemption, automatic redemption at maturity. Subscription, splitting of positions within 1 hour after completion of subscription. Transaction fee, there's a 0.3% management fee of subscription amount will be charged daily. The fee includes subscription and redemption fees. Okay, so since I have a $100 balance already established on my profile, once again, let me go ahead and go back here, click over on the me. You can see my account balance there at the very top. And if you need to be able to add that in, guys, they do have the option there over at the top as well. So make sure that you have already established your balance. Again, if you want to withdraw, you need to add in your security withdrawal password, and you can find that through the gear icon in the top right. Add in your withdrawal password first, then you need to add in a withdrawal actual wallet. Once you've done those 2 things, you can technically be able to withdraw off of the platform. Okay, so let's go back over here, open strategy B2, and then click on the buy icon. So the amount needs to be greater than $10. I have a balance of 100. I'm going to go ahead and put in $100 total, and it says, please confirm that you have read the relevant risk disclosure statement. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on the confirm button there. It says, please confirm that you have read. And so obviously you need to click on this. It's going to give you a little pop-up. You can read through the risk disclosure, and it is highly recommended that you do so. I've scrolled through mine. Click back, click on confirm. It says, please confirm. So I missed something here. What did I miss? Aha, okay, so there's a little checkbox just to the left of that. It was a little hard to see. It's pretty light in the coloring, but we got that figured out. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. Successfully ordered. Just like that, automatically redirected me to this page. We can see the fund order, the total amount that has been established there. And I will be doing a follow-up video in which you guys will see where I am at that point in time after 24 hours, what my return looks like, and then I am likely going to try and participate in one of these other options as well. So there we go. I am officially in. I'm using artificial intelligence, and this is pretty exciting. I'm curious to see how this is going to go, and I'm looking forward to sharing more information with you guys. The team behind this project does have their own Telegram group, and it's encouraged that you jump on in over there, especially if you have questions and you want to get engaged and find out more information, get other people's experiences, etc. And I'll have the link to that Telegram group down in the description below. And so once again, guys, there is a referral-based system that is presented with this. So if you end up trying it out and you're liking what you're seeing, you think that this has an opportunity, other people that you know, you can participate in that as well. And it would just be greatly appreciated that if you do go and jump in on this, that you use my referral information, which I'll have the link to that down in the description below as well. And that's going to go ahead and do it for this first video. Again, I can't stop from saying this. I'm really excited to give artificial intelligence the opportunity to do something with this. It's $100 that I'm looking at here, and I'll show you guys how this moves forward. So let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. And we'll just kind of go from there. So once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.